Are you sleepwalking through your 20s, financially speaking? Most people are, drowning in expenses, chasing fleeting trends with absolutely no long-term vision. It's easy to fall into the trap. You work hard, you deserve to treat yourself, right? But what if I told you that some of the smallest purchases you make right now can have the biggest impact on your wealth later? I'm not talking about sacrificing every pleasure. This isn't about deprivation. This is about strategic allocation. It's about understanding that your 20s are the financial launchpad for the rest of your life. See, the biggest myth out there is that wealth is just about a high income, that if you just make enough dollars, you'll automatically be rich. It's a lie. You can make six figures and still be broke if you don't understand the rules of the game. The truth? Wealth is built on two pillars, time and compounding. And your 20s? That's where time is most abundant. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Understand it, he said, and you earn it. Fail to understand it, and you pay it. Let me give you a frightening example. Let's say you spend $5 a day on a fancy coffee. That's $150 a month, or $1,800 a year. Now imagine you invested that $150 every single month into an asset that returned an average of 10% per year. Over 40 years, that simple daily habit would grow to nearly $950,000. All from skipping a daily coffee. That's the power of compounding. And the earlier you start, the more explosive the growth. Think of your 20s as planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger and stronger it will grow. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 10 smart buys you can make in your 20s that will set you up for long-term wealth. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are calculated investments in your future. We are going to cover everything from the high-value skills you need to learn to the income-generating assets you should own, and finally, the crucial safety nets that protect you from going broke. These are the building blocks of a wealthy future. So stick around, take notes, and get ready to transform your financial trajectory starting today. Let's dive into the first three smart buys, all investments in the most critical asset you possess, yourself. First, education and skill development. Think beyond just a college degree. The world is changing too rapidly for that alone to cut it. We're talking about targeted strategic skill acquisition. What skills are in high demand right now, and what skills will be valuable in the future? Data analytics, coding, digital marketing? Don't just guess. Research industries experiencing rapid growth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs in computer and information technology are projected to grow 15% from 2022 to 2032. That's far faster than the average for all occupations. These aren't just courses. They're investments in your earning potential. A coding boot camp, a specialized industry certification, even a focused online course can dramatically increase your market value. Quantify the return on investment. If a $3,000 data analytics course leads to a $10,000 raise within a year, that's a 330% return. Far better than most stocks. Don't underestimate the power of books either. A $50 book containing knowledge that lands you a new client or promotion is an investment that keeps paying dividends. Second, health and well-being. This isn't a luxury, it's a foundational investment. You can't build wealth if you're constantly battling illness or burnout. Think of your physical and mental health as the engine that drives your financial success. A gym membership, access to quality nutritious food, and preventative health care are not expenses, they are fuel. Consider the cost of neglecting your health. Missed work days, expensive medical bills, decreased productivity. A study by the Integrated Benefits Institute found that health-related employee absence costs employers an average of $530 per employee per year. That's a cost you absorb directly. Mental health is equally crucial. Therapy, mindfulness apps, stress reduction techniques. These aren't indulgences, they are performance enhancers. Chronic stress and anxiety can cripple your decision-making abilities and derail your financial goals. Prioritize sleep. Invest in a good mattress, blackout curtains, whatever it takes to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation impairs cognitive function and lowers productivity. Treat your health as your most valuable asset, because it is. Third, high-quality tools for your craft or side hustle. Stop thinking of these as expenses and start viewing them as business investments. If you're a photographer, a professional-grade camera isn't just a gadget, it's the tool that generates your income. If you're a freelance writer, investing in premium writing software or a faster computer isn't frivolous. It's essential for efficiency and output. The key is to identify the tools that directly impact your income-generating potential. Don't cheap out on these. Invest in quality, even if it means spending a bit more upfront. A poorly made tool will cost you more in the long run through repairs, replacements, and lost productivity. Let's say you're a graphic designer. Investing in a top-tier graphics tablet and software suite might cost $2,000. But if it allows you to complete projects twice as fast and attract higher-paying clients, that investment will pay for itself quickly. Think strategically about what you need to maximize your output and profitability. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your business. These are the building blocks of a solid financial foundation. Fourth, income-generating assets. This is where you transition from simply saving money to actively building wealth. Savings alone won't cut it. You need your money to work for you. Consider stocks, bonds, and even real estate if feasible. Starting a business, even a small online venture, falls into this category. The key is ownership. You want to own assets that generate passive income. Passive income is income you earn without actively working for it. Think dividends from stocks, rental income from properties, or royalties from a digital product. The more passive income streams you create, the faster you'll build wealth. Don't be intimidated if you're starting small. Even investing $100 a month in a diversified stock portfolio can make a significant difference over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Compounding is when the earnings from your investments generate further earnings. It's an exponential growth engine. According to a study by Vanguard, the average annual return of the stock market has been around 10% historically. While past performance is no guarantee of future results, this illustrates the potential of long-term investing. Fifth, experiences that expand your network. Your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with can have a profound impact on your career trajectory and financial opportunities. Think strategically about the experiences that will expose you to like-minded individuals and potential mentors. Conferences, industry events, and specialized workshops are all valuable investments. These aren't just opportunities to learn new things. They're chances to forge connections that can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and even job offers. A strong professional network provides access to information, resources, and opportunities you wouldn't otherwise have. Don't underestimate the power of networking. A study by LinkedIn found that 70% of people were hired at companies where they had a connection. That's a significant advantage. Sixth, books and information resources. In the information age, knowledge is a superpower. The more you learn about personal finance, investing, and business, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Invest in books, online courses, and other resources that will expand your financial literacy. Read biographies of successful entrepreneurs, study the principles of value investing, and learn about different asset classes. There are countless books that can transform your financial life. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey are all excellent starting points. Don't just passively consume information. Actively apply what you learn. Experiment with different investment strategies, track your expenses, and analyze your financial results. Knowledge combined with action is the key to building wealth. Seventh, a financial advisor, if appropriate. Navigating the complexities of personal finance can be daunting. At a certain point, seeking professional guidance becomes a smart investment. This isn't necessary for everyone, especially if you're comfortable managing your finances independently. However, if you're feeling overwhelmed, unsure where to start, or have complex financial situations, A financial advisor can provide valuable expertise. Look for a certified financial planner, a CFP, who acts as a fiduciary. A fiduciary is legally obligated to act in your best interest, not theirs. They can help you with investment strategies, retirement planning, tax optimization, and estate planning. According to a 2023 study by Cerulli Associates, households working with a financial advisor have nearly 3 times more in assets than those who go it alone. While correlation doesn't equal causation, it suggests the potential benefits of professional guidance. Eighth, insurance, health, life, disability. Insurance might seem like an unnecessary expense when you're young, but it's a crucial safety net that can protect your wealth from unforeseen circumstances. A single unexpected event, a serious illness, an accident, or disability, can wipe out your savings and derail your financial goals. Health insurance is essential to cover medical expenses. Life insurance provides financial security for your loved ones in the event of your death. Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to an injury or illness. The amount of insurance you need will vary depending on your individual circumstances. As a general rule, aim to have life insurance that covers at least 10 times your annual salary. Disability insurance should replace 60 to 70% of your pre-disability income. Ninth, time-saving tools and services. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on tasks that drain your energy and don't contribute to your financial goals. Consider outsourcing tasks like cleaning, meal preparation, or lawn care. The goal is to free up your time to focus on high-value activities that generate wealth, such as building your career, starting a business, or investing in your skills. According to a study by Harvard Business School, people who outsource tasks they dislike are happier and more productive. While the cost of outsourcing may seem like an expense, it can be a worthwhile investment if it allows you to focus on activities that generate more income. 1 hour spent on growing your business is worth more than 1 hour spent cleaning your house. 10th, and finally, personal development and coaching. Investing in yourself is the highest return investment you can make. Personal growth programs and coaching can dramatically improve your mindset, productivity, and leadership skills. These aren't just soft skills, they are the bedrock of long-term success. Consider this. A study by the International Coaching Federation found that 80% of people who receive coaching report increase self-confidence, and over 70% benefit from improved work performance, relationships, and more effective communication skills. These improvements directly translate to enhanced earning potential and a greater capacity for wealth accumulation. So there you have it. 10 smart things to buy in your 20s if you want wealth later. These aren't just purchases, they are strategic investments in your future self. Remember, building wealth is a long game. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The power of compounding works its magic over time. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these smart buys resonates most with you, and what steps are you going to take to implement it in your own life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of financially savvy individuals. One final thought: building wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating a life of freedom, security, and purpose. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a positive impact on the world. So embrace the journey, stay focused on your goals, and never stop investing in yourself. Remember, wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Good luck on your journey to financial independence.